Hello everybody, this is Glow on the day of the blizzard of 2022. I decided to make myself and my friends some soup where I live. I live in an apartment building with 10 floors, and I'm on the top and I'm making soup. And what a better day to make it when you have a blizzard, have about 14 inches of snow. With the drifts, I don't know how much, but boy, look at that soup. Oh, it's got everything. Oh, it is delicious. It is so good, I think. And then I have a little side pot. There we go, same thing. That when I run out of here, then I add that into it. So it's a cold day with some soup to warm your bones and your innards and your belly. And I just want to say, everybody stay safe. And now if you see something, say something. Something don't feel right, it probably isn't. So just say your prayers to God, and we help find these missing children. There's two that I'm following right now. Summer Wells, who